Mind mapping is one of the best tools to support you in your personal growth mission and allows you a high level of performance. It's a method for organizing ideas that fully develop the potential of our brain since it uses its own language, creativity, and the ability to associate. It has been shown to be effective in improving study skills, developing ideas, and retaining concepts better, and also clarifying our thoughts. It's super. Sometimes studying or learning new concepts is boring or can be tiresome and monotonous, but with mind maps, we will create attractive and effective diagrams that will make us retain ideas much better. Also, they are ideal for brainstorming, group work, and decision making. Mind maps facilitate free association and creativity. The mind map technique organizes and represents information in an easy, spontaneous, creative way. In a sense, it is assimilated and remembered by the brain in the same way. Likewise, this method allows ideas to generate other ideas, and you can see how they connect and relate and expand, free from the demands of any linear organization. Developed by the British psychologist Tony Buzan, one of the world's greatest intelligence specialists, he dedicated much of his life to improving human beings' ability to learn and to think. His powerful mind mapping method is used by the best minds of our time. When a person works with mind maps, they can relax and let the thoughts arise spontaneously, using any tool that allows them to remember without being limited to the techniques of linear, monotonous, and boring structures. And this is what we propose in this course. It is full of images, designs, and colors that will help you to retain everything we propose in an easy and understandable way. You will also have the support of materials and proposed exercises that make it easier for you to introduce yourself to this method that will undoubtedly change the way you learn. They are downloadable resources that we have designed with love for you to overcome any resistance to drawing. As you use this tool, you will realize how powerful it is, not only for students, but also for companies, for people who have to prepare classes, even to solve and clarify personal issues. We will give you some templates to help you get started. So, you want to get started right now? I bet you do. I recommend you're in a period of training or personal development. Start with this course before any other because this tool will make everything you learn from now on fun, fast, and efficient. Welcome, welcome, welcome to a new way of learning and developing your full potential.